The JBL Pro EON 1 Compact provides a professional-grade 4-channel digital mixer, best-in-class frequency response and output, and compatibility with the JBL Pro Connect app. In this quick start video, we'll quickly cover how to stream Bluetooth audio to your speaker starting from zero. This video will only cover streaming Bluetooth audio, and the JBL Pro Connect app is not required to stream audio over Bluetooth. For more information on connecting your speaker to the JBL Pro Connect app, check out our other videos on the Pro Connect app. Links will be in the description below. Let's start with a factory reset of the unit. This will be good to do even if you're pulling your speaker out of the box for the first time. With the speaker powered on, press and hold the phantom and ducking buttons until all the channel LEDs start to flash. The speaker will power itself off, then back on again when the reset is complete. Next, have your music device ready to discover Bluetooth connections and remove or forget any previous EON 1 compacts that might show if you're following this guide for troubleshooting a device that was working previously. On the speaker, press and hold the Bluetooth button located to the right of the Channel 4 LED until it begins flashing. Once flashing, the speaker should now be discoverable as an available Bluetooth speaker in your music device. Select it to connect, and the Bluetooth button will be lit solid once the connection is successful. Go ahead and make sure your device is routed to the Bluetooth, play some music, and turn the music device all the way up. We shouldn't hear music yet at this point, and that's okay, we're almost done. Finally, toggle the input selection on the speaker by pressing the CH Select or Channel Select button until only the Channel 4 light is lit. Channel 4 is our Bluetooth audio channel, and no other channel light should be on at this point. With Channel 4 selected, rotate knob number 1 clockwise until the green light fills about 75% or is set around 3 o'clock. Now, slowly rotate the master volume knob clockwise until you start to hear music. From here, you can adjust this to taste or whatever you need for your application. Check out our other videos for more in-depth walkthroughs and features of the Pro Connect app and the full capabilities of the EON 1 Compact. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.